Coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Eastern Choctawhatchee Bay. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Western Choctawhatchee Bay until 9:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:19 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 28 nautical miles south of Okaloosa Deepwater Reef to 20 nautical miles south of Oriskany Reef, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts nearly 50 knots. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged by briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include West Choctawhatchee Bay, Fort Walton Beach, Highway 331 Bridge, Okaloosa Deepwater Reef, Shalimar, Fort Walton Liberty Reef, Destin, East Pass at Destin, East Choctawhatchee Bay and Mid Bay Bridge. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 9:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: Western Choctawhatchee Bay, Eastern Choctawhatchee Bay, coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles.